Hello guys, this is I Love Car Rides, and welcome back to another video. This time, I'm showing my fire alarm collection. So, as you can see, I have some fire alarms here. I only have 3. I need to get more soon. So, So, I'm going to tell you the models. And this is the BG12 Firelight. That's what it says down there. And then the BG8. Really cool looking. And this one, I did not know the model number. This one, yeah. So when you know the model number, let me know in the comments. Alright, so let's pull. So, with this one, the BG12, you have to push in, pull down. And this one, you have to pull like that. And this one, you can do 2 things. You can so maybe this one's for the sound, maybe that one's for the horn. I mean, the silent. Ugh, come on, whatever. And then, so I'm gonna show you how it works. So, to reset this thing, or open this thing, you have to open it. Open this thing. Oh, switch the lock. Hold on, guys. There. And then, as you can see, there's this thing. So when you pull it, that thing goes down. So when it does that, it's like up. It's just like it goes down. If it goes down, it will activate the alarm. Oh, my thumb is so big. Oh, alright. Here's the lock. The thing where you pull. And then you switch that X-based alarm. See? Alright. I just need to lock this thing. Alright, over here, this is how it works. So when the postage stand is closed, it has a button right here. So when the postage is closed, that button's pressed in. Dead. So when you let go, or open, or pull the alarm, the button pops out. That's how it activates the alarm. So to reset it, we just push it back up and then put the key in, turn it. Hold on, guys. Come on. There. All set. Alright. Here's what this one looks like. I did not know how this sounds yet. I haven't tested it. Yeah, I haven't tested it yet, so. Alright. That will be it for my video. Please like and subscribe. And tell me in the comments, what is your favorite fire alarm in my collection? Tell me in the comments. Alright. Please like and subscribe for more videos. Bye!